भारी पड़ रहा है। देश देख रहा है, देश देख रहा है, एक अकेला कितनों को भारी पड़ रहा है, एक अकेला कितनों को भारी पड़ रहा है।
एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा। In Maharashtra, the Honorable Prime Minister campaigned in 18 seats. The NDA lost in 15 of them. एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा. In Punjab, he campaigned in Hoshiarpur, in Jalandhar, in Patiala, in Gurdaspur. The BJP all lost all the 4 seats. एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा. We have 33,000 gods in India. But in our democracy, the most supreme of them is the Ganadevata, the Lord of the people, and they have punished you. You may have formed the government again, but yours is a Pyrrhic victory, a victory which inflicts such a devastating toll on the victor that it is tantamount to a defeat. In Bengal, the supreme leader started his Vijay Sankalp Yatra on March 1st. In the constituency of Arambagh, then came to Krishnanagar, then came to Barasat, ended on May 29th in Calcutta. मेरे ऊपर तो विशेष कृपा की उन्होंने दो बार आए. The BJP lost all these seats. The Honorable Prime Minister did 23 campaign meetings in Bengal and lost in 20 seats. In Maharashtra, the Honorable Prime Minister campaigned in 18 seats. The NDA lost in 15 of them. एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा. In Punjab, he campaigned in Hoshiarpur, in Jalandhar, in Patiala, in Gurdaspur. The BJP all lost all the 4 seats. एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा. In Rajasthan, he campaigned at Banswara with the most disgraceful references to Muslims. In outright violation of the law, the EC kept quiet. Not only did the BJP lose Banswara by over 2 lakh votes, the BJP, which had won 25 on 25 in 2019 and won the state government only months ago, came down to 14 seats. एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा. 3 states, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Bengal, account for 170 seats. That is exactly 1/3 of India. The BJP won in only 54 of them. एक अकेला कितनों पे भारी पड़ा.